Hello and welcome to today's Delta Credit Tip. So today we're talking to Discover card holders and the relief that they are providing their card members during the COVID-19 crisis. So stay tuned, we're going to fill you in on the options you've got as a Discover card holder right here on today's Delta Credit Tip. Hello and welcome back to today's Delta Credit Tip. Today we're talking to Discover card holders that are experiencing a little bit of difficulty as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic that's going on. And we want to go over some of the remedies that Discover is offering you as their clients. Hopefully you'll find this information helpful. If so, give us that thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe and hit the bell so that every Thursday as we come out with more information about you and your credit restoration process, you get this information right out of the gate. Now, this week we are bringing out more videos, and we're doing it more than just every Thursday now. We're doing it, trying to go every other day with new information on different creditors: Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Discover, Capital One. So if you're a member of one of these financial services, hit that subscribe button because we're going to come out with more information that'll hopefully help you through this crisis that we've got. All right. So let's talk about what Discover is offering for their customers. And Discover, I got to admit, they've really kind of stepped up their game over the last couple of years on the products that they're servicing, and the relief that they're offering their clients is really no different. Right off the bat, Discover is offering all of their card members at least a 2-month moratorium on payment. They're waiving any fees that you may have been charged. And also when it comes down to, well, how is this going to report on my credit report? And how is this going to affect my payment, right? Well, they're not going to double up on the payment. So if you go the 2 months without a payment, they're not going to make you owe 3 payments in the end, like say your mortgage is going to do. And secondly, when it comes to how they report that to the credit bureaus, they're not going to be reporting these as 30-day lates, which is great because we don't want to kill our credit in the process. So you've got the opportunity, if you happen to have a Discover card, to miss 2 payments as you go through maybe a period of unemployment or delayed payment or whatever, so that it hopefully will protect your credit. All right. So again, as it is with any creditor, when you call them, when you do call and make those arrangements, make sure that you still take the time to make sure you know who specifically you're talking to on the phone. If you can, find out what call center that they're at, and timestamp yourself so that you know exactly when you made the phone call, just in case they we forgot about that conversation, right? You can go back and have them research the call. Don't expect any problems from Discover, but it's always safer than sorry, right? So again, hopefully this information helps. If so, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell for the notification so that as we come out with more information, it can help you in your credit restoration process and actually hopefully keep you from needing credit restoration when it's all said and done. And in the meantime, make a choice, make a change, Delta.